In primetime news this evening, local content creators weigh in on likely TikTok ban in the United States.
Firefighters battle bushfires for hours in St. Catherine.
And St. Catherine and Portmore officials on the defensive after Auditor General flags unverified expenditure. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella CB. A special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now, with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Anthony Lugg.
Well, Janella CB Group opened a new airchill facility, and the group CEO says the development lays the foundation for Jamaica to become a net exporter of chicken. I'll tell you by when the company is hoping to do that.
Thank you, Lug. And Jermaine Brown is here with a preview of what's coming up in primetime sports. He wasn't expecting.
Well, thank you, Archie. Well, the sun is about to set on Netball Jamaica President Trisha Robinson's tenure as head of the local Netball Association. I'll tell you more a bit later on.
I actually like sunsets, and Romaine is here with a preview of what's to come in the weather reports and forecast. Don't say anything.
Thanks, Jelena. Now for tomorrow, we are expecting cloudy conditions to be affecting sections of the northeast in the morning, but it's still mostly sunny conditions for most of the island for most of the day.
It's been delivering good news of late, I'd say. There's more on the weather report and forecast later on. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime. But before the break, the feedback question.
And Archie, we're asking this evening, what are your views on the impending TikTok ban in the United States?
I can't wait for these comments. You can share yours online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica. And you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.